easily, easily, ease, easy, uneasy, easily, easy.
With no difficulty or effort.
I can easily get some food on the way home tonight, if you'd like. She makes friends very easily. Home, 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 homeless, homelessness, homeless, home.
To the place where you live.
He didn't come home until midnight. I went home to visit my parents.
Enough. Enough.
Enough. Enough.
As much as is necessary.
Is there enough cake for everyone? Have you had enough to eat? There are 25 textbooks for the class, that should be enough.
As much as is necessary.
Are you old enough to vote? You're not driving fast enough. Among. Among. Amongst.
In a particular group of people or things.
Discuss it among yourselves for a few minutes. Relax, you're among friends. There were some good drawings among the rubbish in the pile.
Windy. Windy.
Windy. Windy. Wind, windy.
With a lot of wind.
It was a windy night. It was wet and windy for most of the week. Beginner. Beginner. Beginner, beginning, begin.
Someone who is starting to do or learn something for the first time.
I'm a complete beginner at yoga. This judo class is for beginners only.
Gram. Gram.
Gram.
A unit of mass equal to 0.001 kilograms.
Measure out 200 grams of butter.
Company. Company.
Company. Company.
An organization which sells goods or services in order to make money.
He works for a software company or a company that makes software. I work for Duggan and Company.
Concert. Concert.
Concert. Concert.
A performance of music by one or more musicians or singers.
A pop or classical concert. A school concert.
His. His.
The things that belong or relate to someone male who has already been talked about.
That's Frank's coat over there, at least I think it's his. I borrowed them from a friend of his.
Click. Click.
Click. Click.
To press on part of a computer mouse to make the computer do something.
If you want to open a file, click twice on the icon for it. When you have selected the file you want, click the Open box.
A press on part of a computer mouse.
You can get the information with a single click.
Cash. Cash.
Money in the form of notes and coins.
Do you have any cash on you? Will you pay by credit card or in cash? Shelf. Shelf. Shelves.
A flat, horizontal board used to put things on, often fixed to a wall or inside a cupboard.
A glass shelf. On the top or middle or bottom shelf. One wall had shelves from floor to ceiling, crammed with books.
Sunny. Sunny.
Sun, sunny.
Bright because of light from the sun.
We're having the party in the garden, so I'm praying it'll be sunny. It was a lovely sunny day. Play. Play. Play, player, play.
To make music with a musical instrument.
He plays the piano. They could hear a jazz band playing in the distance.
To make a radio, CD, etc. produce sounds.
Could you play that last track again? I could hear a radio playing in the background.
A story that is written for actors to perform, usually in a theater.
We saw a play at the National Theatre.